Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can make money with this application which is called Paidwork. So this application, you will find it either in your Google Play Store or in your Apple Store. So any smartphone you have, you can do this method from your smartphone. So what I'm going to be showing you here on this video is how you can use this website which is called Paidwork to make money by completing a very simple task. So I don't want to talk too much. What I want you to do for me is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first thing you need to do is to register on this website which is called Paidwork. If you click on this three dot icon, it will pop this up and you'll be seeing the section that is saying registration. So when I click on registration here, it's going to pop this up. To register your account, you can register your account either with your Google account, your Apple account, or with your Microsoft account, and you have the option to register with your email account. So the first thing you just need to do is to enter your email here and enter your password, and you will click on continue. Let us say I enter my email here, which is Chris, and I enter my password, and once I've done that, I will click on continue. So once you click on continue, this website Paidwork is going to send you a verification code. So what you need to do is to go to that verification email and click on it so your email will be verified. So once your email have been verified, what you need to do now is to click on the part where it said get it on Google Play Store. So once I click on that, it's going to take us instantly to Google Play Store, and what we need to do is to install it. Why on Google Play Store is because I am using an Android. So once you have done that, since you already created your account, you have verified it, what you have to do is to click on the section where it said open. I want to remind you that when this open, you'll be seeing balance on my own account because I have started using this website which is called Paidwork. I will click on open. So now that I've clicked on open, what you will see here, you'll be seeing your balance, and you'll be seeing your earnings and the last withdraw, and you'll be seeing your daily streak. I think the streak is to validate that you are always active on this application. So at the end of the week, you are going to get rewarded. So when I click on streak here, it's going to open this, and you can see that at the end of every 7 days, you are going to be getting rewarded for using this platform every single week or every single day. So that is how you can make money with this method. So by you just being active on this application, you will get paid by doing that. So that is the first strategy, which is very simple and easy. And the second way that you can use to earn money with this application is to refer people to this program. So you refer people and you will earn commission by doing that. So to find the referral earning method, you need to push this menu on the left. So once you push it on the left, when I click on referral here, you'll be seeing that you can refer people to this program and you will earn money whenever your friend completes a task. Get rewarded for sharing. You and your friend get $10 when they complete their first withdraw. So whenever your friend start using this application and they make their first withdraw, you are going to get a commission from that person that you refer to this program, and they too are going to get commission because you have referred them. You have been making money with this application, so you are going to get paid too. So that is the first way that you can use to make money with this website which is called Paidwork. So let us go back. So to go back, just push the menu back again and click on dashboard. So how you can start using this website to make money is for you to click on the earning tab. So once you click on the earning tab here, you'll be seeing multiple options that you can use to make money. You'll be seeing playing games if you want to play game to make money online, filling out a survey if you want to take surveys like answering questions, you are going to get paid, watching videos, you are going to be watching ad publicity and you are going to be getting paid. If you scroll down here again, you can see micro task jobs. If you want to do this, which is the micro task, you can click on that, complete a micro task. You are going to make a good amount of money with that. If you click on this section where it says online shopping, by you shopping online, you are going to be getting paid if you do this. So on the last part, scan a receipt and get paid. So on this last part, you'll be able to scan a receipt and you are going to get paid for each receipt that you will scan. So I'm going to show you everything on how it will work here. So let us say we want to play game. I will click on play games and it's going to open. So once it opens, you see multiple options that you can use to make money by playing games. Let us say I click on any one of them. It's going to take us to another tab where it's going to show us games that we can play, games that we can download on our phone and start using it, and we are going to get rewarded for each game that we download and start playing. You can see multiple tasks that you can go and complete, and you are going to get paid by doing that. So that is how it works. Let me go back. So you already know now how you can use this method to make money online. And you can see that you can earn up to 95 cents for each task that you complete. It depends on the task you want to complete. So let us go back. So the second method is filling out a survey. So when I click on this part, it's going to show us that we can make about there is a survey up to like $14.25 or €14.25 available right now. Let us also want to complete a survey. All I need to do is to click on fill out survey, and it's going to take us to another website that is going to allow us to take surveys, and if we complete the task, we are going to get paid if you are able to fill out the task and follow the step-by-step guide of what we need to do to make this money. You can see on the screen here, every minute we spend in a survey, we are going to get a point, and that point is going to be converted into money. So you can see 4 minutes surveys, we are going to get 135 points. 8 minute survey, we are going to get about 495 points. When the points land on your own account, it will be converted instantly into cash. So that is what is good. So that is how it works. Anyone you click here is going to open up, and you have the possibility to answer the question, and if you complete all the whole question right, you are going to get paid by doing that. So that is how it works. So let us go back. So now that we come back here, so the other way which is the third way that you can use to make money online, is by watching videos. So when I click here, it's going to pop this up. So you have the possibility, or you have the option to be able to make money with this strategy. So what you are going to be doing is by watching video. If I click on watch now, it's going to show ad, which I don't want to show because I may have a copyright. So once you click on watch videos, it's going to show you ad that you can watch by like 20 seconds, and you are going to get paid up to 5 cents to 95 cents, depend on the ad that you are watching. So that is how this method works. It's very simple. So now let us move to the fourth part, which is micro task. So when I click on that, it's going to open up this. So you can see that on this session, you'll be able to make up to $1.09 by you to just complete a survey. 5-minute survey, you are going to make about $1. So if you look at every one of these tasks here, you can see that all of them are available, and they pay in different amounts. You can see some are paying 1 cent, $2, $1, 1 cent. You know, they are paying in different amounts. It just depends on what you want to complete. Click on any one of them and you can complete it. You can see this one where they said Temu $100 coupon bundle. When I click on that, it's going to open up, and here you are going to follow instruction of what you have to complete that will allow you to make this $1. So that is how it works. Once you have completed the task, what you need to do is to come back here and submit the screenshot of what you have done. So once you submit the screenshot, you just need to click on send, and they are going to receive it. They are going to review it. If it fits exactly what you are supposed to do, then you are going to get that $1 plus that they said you will get. So that is how this method works. Just come try it. I think this one is the one that pays most. This one is the one that pays more than every other one on this application, which is called Paidwork. So just try it out. Let us go back. So on the fifth one, which is the fifth strategy, is for you to be making money by shopping online. So when I click on it, it's going to open this up. So on this one, you have the option to make money by shopping online. So let us say you want to use any one of these applications now, like to start shopping online and getting paid. So what you need to do is to click on the part where it said shopping. Once I click on it, it's going to open up here, and it's going to show us a lot of websites that we can go and start using to shop online. And at the end of the day, we are going to get rewarded if we shop anything on this platform. So they are going to pay us on our own application, which is Paidwork. So that is how it works. Any one of the application here that you purchase or you use, you are going to get compensated on your Paidwork application. So that is how this method works. It's very simple. Anything you spend here, you are going to get a return revenue for doing that. So let me go back to the application, which is called Paidwork. So that is how this fifth way work. You already understand it. Is very simple, guys. So the last of the list of this application, which is the sixth strategy, is to earn money by uploading your receipts. So when I click on earn here, you can see that you will earn about $9 for just uploading your shopping receipt. Let us say you went to do shopping online, or you went to buy groceries, or you just need to do is to submit your receipt on this platform, and they are going to use it for whatever they are going to use for, which I don't know. And so that is all you just need to do here, and you are going to get paid. But this method is only available for United States, Canada, and United Kingdom. For other countries, it's not available. What you need to do is to add yourself to wait list. Let us say I want to remove myself to wait list. I will click on the part where it said leave the wait list. So when I click on that, it will remove me immediately from the wait list. So this wait list is just to remind me, to let me know that the country I am living now, this scanning receipt and getting paid is available. So if it's available in my country, they will email me letting me know that it's available now. I can start scanning my receipt and start using it to make money online. So that is it. Let me read out everything that you can see on the screen here. You can see, say you will earn about 90 cents and 90 cents to $9.05 for each scan that we complete. So that is one thing that is good about this application, which is called Paidwork. So that is everything that I want to talk about on this video, guys. So you know everything now about this website, which is called Paidwork, and how you can use it to make money online. So now you'll be asking me, but how can I withdraw my money? How can I withdraw my money? So to withdraw your money, you just need to click on the section where it said withdraw. Once you click on withdraw here, you'll be seeing your balance, which is the money that you have, and the minimum threshold is $20. So once I have $20, I'll be eligible to withdraw my money into my bank account. So what are the methods that you can use to withdraw your money? So when I click on this add a payment method here, when I click on it, you can see that you have the option to withdraw your money into your bank account, or you can use PayPal to withdraw your money. So it just depends on you. So they have two payment methods, either with your bank account or with your PayPal account. So that is how you can withdraw your money on this application, which is called Paidwork. So that is everything that I want to talk about on this video. If there is anything I didn't cover, you can just let me know in the comment section below, and I will reply you as soon as I see your comment. I will say thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend that want to start using application to make money online. If you ask me my honest opinion about this application, this is not a good way that you can start using to make passive income online. This is a way that you can use to make money online when you are free from your 9 to 5 or from the work that you are doing. So that is what I think about this application, and it's not a application that you can start using today and become rich. It's just a way to earn extra cash online. So that is my own opinion about this application. It's not the best way. Just try it out because it's free. You don't need any document. All you just need to do is to have an email and password and a smartphone and internet connection. That is what you need to use this application to make money online. You can see that they have multiple ways that you can use to earn money from this application. It's just you now that need to go and take advantage of it. So that is everything, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys on my next upcoming video, and peace. If you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate program step by step with a really good passive income, you can just click on this video that is going to pop up right now, guys. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video.